In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round corners in Figma. Rounding corners is a quick way to soften shapes and give buttons, cards, and icons a friendlier look. I'll show you how to adjust all corners at once, how to drag directly on the canvas, how to set different values per corner, and how to round just a single corner when you need extra control. Start by selecting the shape you want to edit. This can be a rectangle, a frame, a polygon, or even a star. In the right sidebar under the Design panel, look for the Corner Radius field. Type in a number in pixels to round every corner of the selected shape. The higher the number, the more curved the corners become. If you prefer a more tactile adjustment, hover over the Corner Radius icon and drag left or right to scrub the value. For context, 8 pixels gives a subtle modern feel. 24 pixels looks distinctly rounded. And if your shape is a perfect square, setting the radius to 50% turns it into a perfect circle. On a non-square rectangle, a large radius gives you a pill shape. You can also adjust corners directly on the canvas. With a rectangle, polygon, or star selected, move your cursor toward any corner until a small circular handle appears. Drag that handle toward the center to increase the roundness. This gives you immediate, visual feedback right on your design, and you'll see the radius value update in the sidebar as you drag, which is helpful for keeping things consistent across multiple elements. When you want different rounding on each corner, Figma makes that easy. With your shape selected, click the Independent Corners control in the sidebar to unlock the corners from each other. You'll see separate input fields appear. Enter the exact value you want for each corner to create asymmetric or directional rounding. This is great for layouts where only the top corners of a card are curved while the bottom corners remain square. If you only need to round a single corner on the canvas without changing the others, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac. While holding the key, hover over the corner until the radius handle appears, then drag it inward. Only that one corner will change, giving you precise, local control without affecting the rest. Rounded corners work on frames, rectangles, polygons, stars, and many vector shapes. Whenever you need precision, just type exact pixel values in the sidebar. With these methods, you can match any design system, stay consistent, and fine-tune your corners quickly and confidently.